you Jeremiah?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, you won our sweepstakes at Gator Metal Roofing. You are winning a brand new metal roof. I am super excited for you. How do you feel right now?
I'm very excited. I actually just started looking around for roofs and getting estimates, and so this is amazing.
How did you hear about our sweepstakes and what made you want to enter?
I saw it online, and I just figured I'd try it. I'd never won anything like this before, and I'm super jacked for it.
Well, the universe is on your side today.
Right.
Have you heard about Gator Metal Roofing before you entered our sweepstakes?
I had someone come out and give me an estimate on a roof before from Gator, and I was very impressed with the company.
Since you've heard of us before and you worked with us before, and you're getting a complimentary metal roof, and you said you were kind of doing some estimates before, obviously we know that any home maintenance can be pretty pricey, but we here at Gator think any metal roof is an investment. But since you're saving so much money because it's complimentary because you won our sweepstakes, do you have an idea of how you want to spend the money that you're saving on something else in terms of home maintenance?
Well, we want to do a remodel in the kitchen area, and so we're going to use the money that we wouldn't use on the roof for our kitchen.
We love that, and we love saving money.
Yes, ma'am.
Here at Gator Metal Roofing, we always just love to get to know our customers and clients just on a deeper level. Can you tell us a little bit about you? Did you grow up in this area? How long have you lived in your beautiful home?
I grew up in this area. I was actually born in a neighboring town, and we moved to Washington when I was very young. And this is where I grew up. I left to go to college, and then I came back. I've been here for about 27 years, and I've loved the home, loved the community, loved the people.
What's your favorite thing, not only about Washington, but living in the Carolinas?
I think I enjoyed the slower pace, friendly people. Just a beautiful area, beautiful community, nice city.
We got the southern hospitality, we got the beaches, the mountains, we got the big cities, small cities. Like you said, we got it all, a little bit of everything. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have two, my son and daughter.
Do they know that you won?
Yes, I told them that I won. They're very excited. They're just waiting to come see it.
So before you entered the sweepstakes, have you been in the process, or were you currently looking at possibly considering replacing your current roof?
I had just started looking into getting estimates for the roof. I'd had a few companies come out, and actually one of the companies that came out was Gator Metal Roofing, and I was really impressed by the company. When I saw the sweepstakes, I decided to go ahead and enter.
And the universe was on your side because you won. I think you were telling me earlier, had you entered in one of our previous sweepstakes before?
This was the first time that I had entered the sweepstakes, and so I was super jacked when I found out that I won.
Do you have any advice for anyone in the future who might be hesitant or think like, oh, I can't win this?
I would say go ahead and enter.
Y'all heard it here. Go ahead and enter. So you said that you've worked with Gator Metal Roofing before. When you were looking at estimates of possibly replacing your current roof, were you leaning towards asphalt, metal? Have you really considered metal roofs before?
I had just started kind of looking into metal roofs to just kind of look at warranties and just kind of how they held up. And so I was open to a metal roof.
What is the current status of your current roof? Is it in pretty good condition, or would you say there's some wear and tear there?
There's definitely some wear and tear, but overall it's in pretty good condition.
What was your current maintenance process in terms of, checking on the shingles, the asphalt, things like that?
Every so often I would go up just to make sure that everything was okay, to make sure that there were no gaps or anything like that. My current roof has held up pretty good, but I'm excited about the metal roof.
How's your wife? How does she feel?
Oh, she's super excited about it as well.
Yeah. What was her reaction when she found out that you guys won?
We both didn't believe it. I mean, it was disbelief, and then it just kind of settled in, and we both got really excited about it.
And now the hardest question I'm going to ask you today. What color did you decide to pick and why?
But basic black because it goes with everything.
Basic black, it goes with everything. It's going to look fantastic on this red brick. Did your wife help you pick out that color too?
Yes, we picked it out together.
Love it. This summer so far has been hot and humid. Has your energy bills been going up?
Oh, absolutely. The air conditioner's been trying to keep up with the temperature outside, so I'm dreading that bill.
Yeah, I do not blame you. Same thing. So lucky for you, you are getting your metal roof at the perfect time because our metal roofs are not only Energy Star rated, but guaranteed to lower your energy bill by at least 40%. So the next bill might not be the friendliest, but then in the future, you're going to be saving a lot of money on top of all the savings because you're getting a brand new free roof.
Always excited about savings.
And I don't know if you're a fan of storms. We love it, sometimes we love a good summer thunderstorm, but the cozy vibes under a metal roof, you're gonna hear it, but it's not gonna be super loud, but it's like a nice, cozy rain soundtrack. How do you feel about, just listening to a nice thunderstorm?
I'm always excited about just kind of being able to rest. And I've been hearing that metal roofs kind of give you that little calm.
Nice peace, tranquility.
Hmm.
And again, you're getting some sexy black, so it's gonna look good. You're gonna be the hottest house on the block and saving a lot of money on top of that. Well, Jeremiah, congratulations again. I'm so happy. I can't wait to come back here in about a week or so and see the finished product. Again, I'm so happy for you and your wife. All the neighbors are gonna be jealous. Your kids are gonna be so excited for you. I'm excited to see who our future sweepstakes winner is, but Jeremiah, I'm so happy that you won this.
I'm so excited. Thank you, Gator Metal Roof.